Wander open roads with us to Bulow Creek State Park in Ormond Beach, Florida. Hey everybody, this is Robin.
And Miko.
And we're Wander Open Roads. Hey, thanks for joining us. You know, it was a beautiful day for a motorcycle ride, so we decided to go out and check out a local state park in the area where we were camping.
Yeah, whenever you have those good weather days, you really have to take advantage of them. So it really was a great day to get out, get some air therapy, and stretch our legs at this state park.
Bulow Creek State Park is located 5 miles north of Ormond Beach, Florida, right off of the old Dixie Highway and very close to the Atlantic Ocean. And the park is adjacent to the Bulow Plantation Ruins Historic State Park and very close to the North Peninsula State Park and the Gamble Rogers Memorial State Recreation Area, along with Tomoka State Park. So there are a lot of really great state parks in the area. They're all really close to the beach, and after spending quite a bit of time at the beach and all that, we decided we wanted to go out on a hike and just kind of get some fresh air and enjoy nature. And this was definitely a cool park to do it at. This park contains one of the largest stands of southern live oaks remaining on the eastern coast of Florida, and features the Fairchild Oak, which is over 4 centuries old and is among the largest of its kind in the southern United States. We decided to focus on the hiking trails. Today they have a Bulow Woods trail that is over 6 miles long, which leads to the plantation ruins. But they also have canoeing and picnicking, along with primitive camping on site, along with a picnic pavilion and other campsites. So there's a lot to do there, even if you want to do more than hike, right?
Thanks for joining us to this short trip to Bulow Creek State Park. We really had a good time, and enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah, it was definitely cool, and there are a bunch of other parks and things to do in the area. So, if you're ever in that part of Florida, you should definitely check it out. It's beautiful out there. So, thanks for joining us.
Be sure to check out our selection of motorcycle shirts. Links will be in the description.